Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ikra and this is Iqrakvlogs. So I'm doing a voiceover over this video because the voice quality in the original video wasn't very good. So I went to this place called Quest for Adventure. They were offering kayaking as well as archery as well as water sports and some other interesting activities. It's in Ajman. And the good part or the interesting part of this activity was that you get to do kayaking in the mangroves in Ajman, and the mangroves are almost like 300 years old mangroves, which was really interesting. This was the main fact that attracted me. So in this place we were ready to go to sail the boat. We reached there and now we are going all the way to the forest, and we are traveling in this boat, and we have our tour guide. His name is Ronaldo. So he's going to accompany us all the way to the forest, and this will take like 20 minutes till we reach there, and then we'll do a 1 hour session of kayaking.
Forest. It's crowded, and you know
What's the
sounds.
popular, morning or this?
For me, I like morning because high tide. You can go in the small channel like a jungle, and you see the flamingo.
Oh, so we will not get a chance to see the
Yeah, but
flamingos
we
now?
have another route in afternoon. So during the low tide, you see a lot of marine life and microorganisms, and also coral reefs and seagrass. Yeah, and a lot of birds during afternoon because dinner time.
Oh, that's the flamingo.
Oh guys, look, this is a grey heron. Yeah, it's a grey heron. Yeah, and guys, you know, this is keystone and good for our ecosystem. And here we have millions. You see guys, in the summer, if you have some friend or and then if you have chance to come back here, see here, it's a lot of red crabs. And the last one, guys, we have some hotel.
You're trying what? Show me.
Salty.
So you can eat this one raw.
And you cannot eat cheese. Yes, I can eat this. Not.
And this is basically, they say they use in a raw salad. So let me see.
Anyway, guys,
Salty.
we
Oh,
can
very
paddle
salty.
back.
Golf course. Let me see. How does the view looks from up above here? It's nice. So we'll be planting an our plant,
Saving to help to our planet.
saving planet.
Yeah.
Going to plant our own little mangrove here, and yeah, that's a nice experience.
That's only 2 minutes walk.
Okay, so Ronald is leading us to the place where we will plant. Okay. Ali is doing the hard work bringing our plants.
That's only 2 minutes for planting.
Okay,
At least you help
we
for the
help.
environment. Yeah, our planet also.
Why there is such this color soil
Yeah,
below?
I will explain to you, ma'am. Come on, guys. Oh, you need 3. Okay, no problem.
One for you.
Make it here. Also. So, guys, we need to remove the plastic before the. You see, the panto is busy. Let me do this.
What is this for?
Yeah.
Clay? Is it clay or?
Huh?
So, it's okay, guys?
Gelo.
So can I, if you want to take picture?
Ali is giving back to the community, sharing his part in saving the planet.
Yeah.
Oh, look out.
I'll
And
make
then
it your date.
this is for you, sir, if you want. And then take picture, guys. Thank you so much.
Yeah, just put that also. This mango is growing. If you have salt water, you want to finish it?
I'll do my own.
You have?
Yeah.
I think you don't.
Yeah, I have. Where's my plant?
It's done already.
Done already?
Yeah.
So, I'm doing my part in saving the community.
इस साइड पे लगाओ जरा मिट्टी
कौन से नहीं?
हाँ इधर
I think this guy is laughing because he knows the victory.
So Gloria, it's ready for kayaking. Somebody is there.
You see, guys? You see the one who is walking? You see one guy? Stuck. Imagine that. So if you go there, nothing, useless.
Yeah.
I think I recommend that. It's up to you guys. If you want, I recommend that we going there. At least you make it comfortably and stop for the small channel, and we will see about the microorganism, the coral reefs. Sounds good? Happy? No problem. Okay, so
Let's
little
go.
bit paddling demo, guys.
Follow me, guys.
Are you first time?
Paddling demo.
No. Ah, yeah, it's not for
Good
you.
video.
How about you?
So, we have started our option.
इकरा मुझे पानी में डुबोएगी जिस तरह से ये चला रही है
No, I'm just enjoying the ride.
Guys, it's so peaceful and I love it.
At the beginning, I was like, what, how? But now I think I'm enjoying.
I was born an athlete, so I know how to do it. ਇਹ ਸਾਡਾ ਫਲਪੀਨਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਾ ਇਹ ਬਿਲਾਵਜ ਦੀਆਂ ਉਸਤਾਦੀਆਂ ਝਾੜਿਆ ਅੱਧਾ ਘੰਟਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ What Ali? I told you.
We need to turn.
I will make it. Okay. Ekra!
No!
It's okay, no problem.
So this area is really, we have a lot of food, microorganisms. Guys, sorry, and you know this is the middle island. I think the flamingo.
Fast.
Yeah, so it's very far to walking. So sorry guys. So
झूठ मारे
I saw you some coral reefs, huh?
झूठ मारे
And we see a lot of this is a 5-star.
Alright, so now we are on our way back to the marina which is there, and it's actually on the coastline of Ajman. There is Ajman tourism office as well. So let me tell you about the experience. It was really nice, and in the beginning I was like scared, but after that I was like enjoying it. So you just go slow with that. Hardly kayaking was like 15 to 20 minutes, but it was worth the while because the tide was low, the water was not high, so the water wasn't there. So those were the points where we were like, let's just slow down and go with the wave.
Yeah. And
But
this
we get
one
to
is
see a
belong
lot
from
of
the
different
royal
kind of
family.
birds, which is
And-
really nice. Now we are on our way back. Let me tell you here that the cost for one person for this kayaking trip was 175 dirhams. So we were two, so it costed us like 250, and that includes the cake, the paddles, and the safety jacket. So you just need to bring your, like, just get dressed in sportswear and you're good to go. And now it's sunset as well, and it's beautiful.
The family is coming.
So the overall experience was really good, and the good part was the weather was nice. It was not very hot, it was not very cold, although I was wearing my, what do you call it, I don't know, a jacket, but it wasn't that hot. So I think, yeah, we'll just, did you had fun?
Yes, I do.
What part was the difficult one?
Nothing.
Nothing. Actually, Ali was driving like a pro.
I am.
What is it? I think he's been some kind of other soul in his last years. Like, he was just, the trick of driving a cake is you paddle the opposite side, which is logical. And I was scared in the beginning, but then I did good, right?
Yeah.
Right. So it was fun, and I would highly recommend you guys, if you have watched my video, to come here with family as well. It's really nice,
Did so
and
many Coopers?
TV is there, and it has got the competition, but mine is better. This is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye.